Here's how to remove emojis from your iPhone keyboard. Now let's open up an app like your Notes app. And I'll show you this example. Let's tap on the emoji icon at the bottom left, that little smiley face. Now you have two different options in terms of removing these emojis. Let's say an emoji that you created, like this little one with me riding a dinosaur. Now if I press and hold on it, you can see it only has an option to share it. But if I swipe to the right and get to this screen, I can press and hold on any of these different ones, let my finger up, and I can hit delete. So I can delete those custom emojis that I created, or if I wanted to replace frequently used emojis, all I need to do is keep typing in different other emojis, and after I type in a bunch of them, you'll be able to see on the clock here, it will update to those frequently used emojis. But let's say you wanted to remove all of the emojis. You can do that by getting into the Settings app of your iPhone. After you've done that, you're going to tap on General towards the very bottom. And then from here, you're going to find the keyboard option. So scroll down and tap on Keyboard, and then Keyboards at the top. From here, you'll be able to see Emoji. All you need to do is swipe to the left and hit delete. And now if you open up the Notes or any keyboard, again, at the bottom left, there's no more Emoji keyboard.